Are you ready to find your dream home? This charming 2022 mobile home offers the perfect blend of comfort and style. Featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 modern bathrooms, and a versatile office space, it's designed for today's lifestyle. The inviting open floor plan seamlessly connects the kitchen, living room, and dining area, creating an ideal space for entertaining and relaxation. Home features kitchen with farmhouse sink, and LVP floors throughout. Step outside to enjoy the benefits of a brand new fence, installed in 2024, ample gravel parking, and a convenient storage building. Plus, with no city taxes and no HOA fees, you have the freedom to park your boat, camper, or RV right on your own property. Don't miss the opportunity to make this delightful mobile home your own. Just add water to your lifestyle.